Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Today, I would like to present about our paper. The title is Development of Blended Learning Model Based on E-Learning and Augmented Reality in Computers Network Courses. Okay, the authors here, me, Muhammad Lutfi Hamzah, and then by Zakova Saule, Azibekova Ferizat, Ilibait Midet, Sundait, by Ainur, by Setofa Zanar, Ansarullah, Zeti Rahmat. We are from Universitas Islam Negeri Sultan Syarif Kasim, Indonesia, and collaboration with Atlisarin Arkalik Pedagogical Institute, Kazakhstan. Okay, this is introduction. This we now computer and technology play vital roles in driving global transformations. Using computer networks, people can easily connect to the others in the world. Include student and educator can collaborate with the platform like email, e-learning, and something like that. With use modem and computer, educator and expert can be virtually at any time and everywhere. So the computer networking is essential subject in information engineering, information technology, information system in computer science major. So the teaching of computer network is challenging for educator or teachers or lecturers because this subject is highly technical and demand practical understanding beyond the theory. So some subject in this major or courses like IP protocol, subnetting is very abstract to the student, very hard to student to understand. So we need to make some new technology to make them easily to understand about their subject, especially in computer networking courses. And then the gap between theory and practice in teaching computer network is evidence. Because of that, teaching equipment, insufficient instructor expertise, lack of emphasis of combining theory and practice further confound the problem. Okay, to break this gap, these skills are typically acquired through the laboratory session where the student work in small groups to gain hands-on experience with the network components. However, setting up these practical labs can be resources intensive both in terms of cost and the time. So here we propose about our research is about how to use e-learning and augmented reality to make a student easily to understand about their subject in computer networking. Okay, this is our research method. We use R&D, research and development in educational setting in full systematic approach to developing and validating research, often referred to as R&D cycle. And then we use ADDE models, which consist of analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. And then we use here like some expert to validation, to testing, and then we develop the product and will undergo testing using control experimental group designed to evaluate its effectiveness. So we test the effectiveness test using the experimental, and we compare with the non experimental group. Okay, and then the type of the data used in this research is data related to the research design and product the trial subject. To ensure the practicality and efficiency, the developed model we undergo two rounds of testing. The first is an expert appraisal will be conducted with FGD or focus group discussion, and then the model we test with the student participant from the information system student in Universitas Islam Negeri Sultan Syarif Kasim Riau who are currently enrolled the computer networking courses. Okay, and then we continue to result and discussion. Okay, like before, we developed this process with 5 stages from ADDIE: models, analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluations. The goals of this study is to design the blended learning approach using e-learning and augmented reality for computer network courses. Additionally, it's aimed to assess the model's validity, feasibility, and effectiveness. First is analysis. Okay, this is the first step of our identifying the problem through observation, interview, and review of educational material with both teacher and student. And it was determined that there was the need of blended learning model using e-learning and augmented reality. And the second step is about design. Okay, the design encompasses various elements such as module books, learning material, tools specific to computer network courses. Two key learning tools highly were RPS or SAP integral to do the learning process. In this design, we have like basic model development. We use the ICT in education for the computer network courses combined with element blended learning, problem-based learning, and then integrated e-learning with Android-based augmented reality application. We take the model of ICT-based learning from the Grand Ramsey, like information seeking, information acquisition, and knowledge synthesis. And then we have some benefit from these models using ICT in education, like student motivation. We using with ICT enabled learning, increase engagement due the interactive and challenging nature in ICT, and then access the wide range information sources, and then simplification of complex concept through the visualization, and then efficient execution repetitive tasks, and then flexibility, and then facilitation of creative and innovation learning design. And then we use the 5 key in blended learning from the Keller, Jens, and etc. First is live event, and then self-paced learning and collaboration, and then assessment, and then performance supports material. This is the syntax from their research before. So in this research, we propose our models. First is learning initial orientation, and the second syntax is use of information content and material. The third syntax is task of group discussion to analyze a problem, and then syntax 4 is focus group discussion, and then syntax 5 is implementation to present the result of problem solving. And then the last is evaluation. This syntax we combine from blended learning and problem-based learning models. Okay, we continue to development. In this development step, we use the focus group discussion. Prior its implementation, the development plan for the blended learning models incorporating e-learning and augmented reality underwent a forum group discussion. So in this step, we have 5 expert for validators, each with expertise in the relevant fields, like from the technological expert, language expert, content expert, and other expert in this research. And then we have some products, so we need to validate this product with validator using ICANV models. The first is blended learning models, software like e-learning and augmented reality application, and then blended learning models, and then learning tools, and then modules or teaching materials, and then lecturers guidebook and student handbooks. After development model, we continue to implementation after the product already validated with validators. So we need to test the practicality and then the effectiveness. So this practicality test aim to evaluate the applicability of blended learning models in actual computer networks learning settings. Feedback from the both lecturer and student is gathered to identify areas for enhancement in the implementation of blended learning model for the computer network course. After that, we test the effectiveness as a result of the development models or step of the blended learning model, which is has been validated and revised with small scale and large scale field tests are then carried out consist of testing effectiveness of the models. These data were obtained through the questionnaires and through the pre-test and post-test on student. Okay, we continue to evaluation step or PES is a concluding step in the AD instructional design models. It's critical process to gauge the efficiency of the developed blended learning models. Through force implementation evaluation, we assess the model effectiveness and refine it based expert feedback from the forums, encompassing in implementation, validation, practicality, and efficiency. Okay, we enter to the conclusion. The conclusion of this research is the blended learning model based on e-learning and augmented reality has been developed through the ADDEI or AD procedure, which has produced good learning models and model tools to optimize the achievement of learning objective in computer network course. The result of the analysis of the development of blended learning model based on e-learning and augmented reality show the validity test on the product and all assessment item is in the valid category, and the practicality test is based on the lecturer and student. The practicality category is practical. Based on the t-test, it was found the blended learning models on e-learning and augmented reality was effectively used in the computer network course. Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you very much the opportunity.